Jamaica has lost a great son. There's no doubt that he has made his mark and he has left a huge footprint for anyone to follow. This country, really, we are very happy as a party and very proud of the work and the leadership that Mr. Edward Seaga gives to Jamaica. And from me and my constituents, we're certainly going to be missing him.
The former Prime Minister was a very, very good man to the country. He has done a lot, especially when it comes down to culture, and we are going to miss him. Everybody is going to, because he has laid the foundation, especially with the Heart Trust NTA, and lots of persons are benefiting from it today. So we have lost a great soldier, and we look forward to somebody taking over from him and continue his good work.
We are saddened, and I know that the entire Clarendon, I speak on behalf of Clarendon right now, they are really saddened to hear about his passing. We know that he was a great man. We remember the things that he had done, not only for our parish, but for the country, and we'll never forget him.
Mr. Seaga has contributed a lot to the nation building. I can remember when I became mayor of Kingston, we had a lot of issues with respect to the markets, Coronation markets and other markets. I went to visit him just to ask to get some feedback from him with respect to how we approach order in the market, and he welcomed me into his home. And he gave me a lot of advice with respect to how to approach the market.
Over the Easter holidays, I spent 2 days with him. I enjoyed his company then because we spoke on many issues. And one of the things that struck me, Mr. Speaker, was during the conversation, he always focused his attention on what is happening back home. What will happen to the football? What will happen to this? What will happen to that? I had to say to him, sir, you gave almost 60 years of your life serving people. Now is the time for you to sit back and try to enjoy life, although it is difficult. But he would never have none of it, Mr. Speaker. And the song says, if loving you is wrong, then we don't want to be right, and we maintain that loving Edward Philip George Seaga was the right thing to do.